Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Cappuccino S Espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the carafe and the coupling carafe that you see right here. So for that this whole thing we replace the micro switches that are located over here and the whole carafe and the gaskets that are located right here as well. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test it out, we're gonna do the foam and then we're gonna do the shot separately so we can inspect them better. Now the decay is siphoning coming out through the carafe and a nice steady flow. It's working really well. Really nice foam coming out of the machine. Nice flow coming out of this pouch as well. Really good color. A nice quantity for a cappuccino. Working perfectly fine. And there you have it, carafe working once again and giving nice steady foam. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day and thanks for watching.